Magluluto tayo ngayon ng adobong pampano. Okay. Welcome to Mama's Kitchen, Grabby. So, our recipe for today is adobong pampano. Adobong black pampano. Yan. Ito ang ating black pampano. Okay. At ang kailangan lamang natin ay ginger, onion, and garlic. Tapos, kailangan lang natin sa pampalasa is soy and pepper. That's it. Start cooking. Yan. I have adjusted the light for you para mas maganda ng konti yung kulay ng ating niluluto. First step, painitin lang yung ating kawali, tapos lagyan ng mantika, igisa. Ito yung mga ginisang adobo, ganun lang din ang gagawin natin. Very simple. Well, if you haven't tried black pampano before, you should try this kasi yung meat niya is napaka-sarap. Okay? Pour at least 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, so mainit na siya. Let's start with ginger. Yung ating usual adobo, we only use onion and garlic. Tapos basta adobo, do not forget to use vinegar and then pepper. When the onion started to become transparent or translucent, you add the garlic. When cooking, always remember to put it on a medium heat lang. So, maluluto na. Here is our soy, our vinegar, and our ground pepper. And then, we need at least a half cup of water. Lagay na natin yung isda. Half cup of water, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy, and then with the vinegar, tapos pepper. And then let it simmer for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Cover muna natin. If it happens na yung adobo mo becomes too salty, just add a pinch of sugar. Don't forget, brown sugar. Okay, let's check after 3 minutes. It was almost done. So, yan yung ating black na pampano. So, it's up to you if you want your sabaw na mas kukonti. Kung gustong dagdagan ng mga pampalasa, it's up to you also. And for me, siguro I have to add a little bit of pepper na lang. And this one is optional. Okay. ceiling green. Just to add some color lang, para lang makaganda lang sa kulay ng ating adobong pampano. That's it. And then, siguro, let's wait for this one to cook ng mga 1 minuto pa. After 1 minute, ready to serve. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung ating video for today, please like us on YouTube and Facebook page. And then, share na rin sa inyong mga friends na gusto matutunan ng adobong pampano. And then, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Mama's Kitchen Grabby. Thank you for watching Adobong Pampano. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Mama's Kitchen Grabby para mapanood nyo pa ang mga susunod nating videos. Bye and thank you!